Okay, so good morning, children. And I hope that you remember this. I told you that in next class, in recorded video, I will show you that how air is needed for burning. Okay, so in today's class, I'm going to show you this activity. Okay, just wait for a second. Okay, candle is ready with me and this transparent glass you need. Okay, for this activity, you need transparent glass. Okay, so first of all, what we will do? We will light this candle. Okay, we will light this candle. Okay, and after this we are going to stick it. Okay, on any hard surface you try to stick this candle. Okay, so just wait for a second. I'm going to show you how to do this activity. Okay, but children, I am not going to tell you to do this activity without the you have, if you want, you can tell your parents, they will do this activity for you, but you are not supposed to do because you are very small. Okay, so like this way I'm going to light this candle, and after this I'm going to put a glass, transparent glass, over it. Okay, after some time you are going to see that candle is using the oxygen which is present inside this. After that, see what happened, candle stop burning. Why? Because they use this candle, it use the oxygen which is present in this glass. So after some time it stop burning. Okay, clear? So if you want you can do, but tell your parents to do it for you. Okay, no need to do it by yourself. Okay, I'll not allow anyone to do it by yourself. Okay, now come to next one, children. See this page. I will tell you the page number. All of you take out page number 100. Okay, page number 100. See, let us do some magic tricks with air and water. So one more activity is given in this chapter. See here, you need a drinking water. Okay, drinking water you need for this activity. A large bucket. See, this is the bucket. Okay, and you have to fill this bucket half. Okay, only half of the bucket you have to fill. A dry paper napkin and water. Okay, these four things you need. Okay, you need a drinking glass. Okay, not drinking water, sorry, drinking glass you need. Okay, you need drinking glass, a large bucket. Okay, you have to fill this bucket half only. A dry paper napkin. Okay, this dry paper napkin, glass, bucket, and half fill half of the bucket with water. Now fill the bucket half with water. Tell your friend that you can put the napkin under water without getting it wet. Okay. So how can you do this? If you are putting the napkin in the water, then it will become wet. But how can you do this? That you're going to put the napkin in the water and after that it is not going to become wet. See, stuff the napkin into the bottom of the glass so that it does not fall out. Okay, so what you have to do, just fold this napkin and put it in the bottom of the glass. Okay, after that push the glass upside down in the bucket without tilting it into water. So next step, what you have to do, children, see, like this way. First of all, you have to fold this napkin, put it inside the in the bottom of the glass. Suppose this is a glass now, so inside the bottom of this glass you have to put this napkin. Okay, after that what you have to do, just tilt this glass like this way. Okay, tilt this glass, and what you have to do, push the glass upside down. Okay, like this way. But you have to take care of one thing, that glass will not tilt like this. Okay, without tilting it into water, glass should not be tilt like this. You have to do like this only. Okay, so what you are going to see after that, take it out slowly. Okay, after doing this, take it out slowly and see the napkin. After that you take out the napkin from this glass and see that, is it dry? Okay, what is asking? Is it dry? Yes, it is dry. Why? Water could not enter the glass as it was filled with air. Okay, because you put the napkin in this in this glass. So what happened? Air is filled in this glass. So when you are going to put this glass like this way in the water, so water is not going inside. Why? Because the space is already occupied by the air. Okay. Now what you have to do? Now, if you tilt the glass slightly, okay, if you go if you tilt the glass like this way, okay, what will happen? If you little bit, if you slightly you tilt this glass, what will happen? You will see the air bubble rising up in the water. Okay, if you tilt this glass like this way, see, like this, what will happen? You're going to see that small drops of air bubbles. Okay, small drops of air bubble arises. Okay, if you tilt the glass slightly, you will see air bubbles rising up in the water. Okay, so this is the glass. If you are going to tilt, then you are going to see small drop of water in this. Water can now enter the glass as the air comes out. So when you are going to tilt this glass, what will happen? Air bubbles come out. Okay, air bubbles rising up, so the space become vacant. Okay, खाली हो जाएगा ना, air bubbles, airs जब निकल जाएगी बाहर bubble के form में, then what will happen? The glass become vacant. Okay, glass में space बन जाएगी, so that water easily enter inside this glass. Okay, just wait for a second. Let me show you. Yes, now see, so what will happen? If you slightly tilt this glass, you are going to see the air bubbles, and after that water can now enter in the glass. Okay, in the glass as the air come out of it. So when air come out of it in the form of bubble, then water go inside. Okay, now it is clear to all of you. If this activity is not clear to you, then I will do this activity for you. Okay, in next class. Okay, you tell me, because today I'm going to take your recorded session now. So in next class, if this activity is not clear to you, then you please tell me, I will do it for you. Okay, this one also. Clear? Now see this next. Try another one. One more also. This one you can do by yourself. Okay, if you want, you can do this, because it will not affect you. Okay, you need a bowl filled with water and a chalk piece. Okay, what you need for this? Take a bowl, fill it with water. Okay, fill it with water, put the chalk into the bowl and watch. Okay, what you have to do, just take one chalk piece. This is pen, I'm not telling about this. Okay, just take one chalk and put it inside the bowl which is filled with water and watch what you are going to see. You will see many air bubbles coming out of the chalk. See this picture, children, these are the air bubbles, small. Okay, these are the small bubbles. So when you are going to put the chalk in the water, then small bubbles, air bubbles coming out of the chalk. There is a lot of air in the chalk piece. Okay, in this chalk piece, lots of air is there. So what will happen after that air bubble? When this chalk piece enter inside the water, then this air bubbles come out. Okay, and when the air comes out, it create bubbles. Okay, while water enter it to take the place which are occupied by the air in the chalk piece. So what will happen? So much air is present in the chalk piece. Okay, so when air comes out in the form of air bubble, this again space is there, so water enter inside this chalk piece. Okay, when the space created, then water enter inside this chalk piece, and when after some time when you are going to take out this chalk piece, you are going to see that chalk piece is become wet. Okay, I hope that children, these all three activities are clear to you. But if it is not clear to you, then please tell me in next class. I will show you this. Okay. So till then, all of you take care. Revise the chapter in next class. If it is clear to you, then we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. Okay. So all of you take care. Goodbye.